Hi all cooking up our fans, Chef Tim here, welcome back to Hungry Bacon. Today we'll be making a new product on the menu, it's called belly on sticks. It's actually a take on the Thai moving skewers. Here are the ingredients you need. We got chopped coriander, we got coconut milk santan, we got palm sugar gula melaka chopped up really nicely, we got corn flour. Interestingly, we have condensed milk, we have oyster sauce, dark soya sauce, sesame oil, some chicken seasoning, white pepper, black pepper, chopped garlic, light soya sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon.
So what are we doing here?
We're gonna just mix up all the ingredients. It's a very simple process. A lot of ingredients, but to mix it up, you don't have to blend it. Just put it in a mixing bowl and then whisk it up. So my assistant Kishan here is putting in the ingredients. You got the santan, chopped coriander. Please use the stems and the roots as well for the coriander. Got the gula melaka, palm sugar.
Wow, there's a lot of gula melaka, eh?
Yeah.
Nice sweetness, but not too sweet. That's what I like about gula melaka.
We got balance. So you got the sweet stuff, and then you got all the salty stuff as well. Just like Thai food.
Okay.
All about balance. Interestingly, this recipe calls for condensed milk.
This is the oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. Dark soy.
All the detailed ingredient will be inside the video description, yeah? So you all can refer to them. As you all know, Chef Ting always review all his darkest secrets to you all.
Yeah. No, there are no secrets lah, in kitchen. If some other chef is doing it, it's just a matter of time before someone else copies it or makes it better even.
Very true, very true. Yeah. So you definitely want to give a like to this video and also share it to appreciate what the sharing from our Chef Ting.
So this was fish sauce, not sesame oil, sorry, fish sauce.
No problem.
Right.
Anyway, the ingredient list will be inside the video description. Alright, put everything together in the mixing bowl, right?
Yeah, then we can whisk it up.
Okay, whisk it up. Wow, nice caramelized color.
Yeah, from the dark soy. So here we got our pork belly, which is skinless. We remove the skin. You can cut it into long strips like this, or you can cut it into cubes. Right? And then with the marinade that we made earlier, we're going to measure, this is a kilo of pork belly, so we're going to measure 250 grams of marinade. So set it over a weighing scale, zeroize it.
This is why the professional restaurant food always tastes very consistent, because they always measure.
Yeah, it's about consistency. I mean, anything less than 250 grams a kilo, it won't taste so nice. Anything above might taste salty. And of course, consistency, very important. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to mix it up. You want to leave it to marinate in the chiller overnight. What will happen is, the marinade will start to break down the muscle fibers of the pork belly and make it tender. Also the corn flour helps as well. So please do marinate this overnight, or at least for 2 to 3 hours before you proceed to the next step. We have already done a batch yesterday and it's been marinating overnight. You want to mix up the marinade and per skewer we weigh out about 90 grams. Grams of skewer, 95 no problem, and then we just skewer it.
Just like making satay lah.
Yeah. Very thick, juicy satay.
And we are using pork belly, right? So there is a good mix between fat and also meat.
Yeah. No fat, no flavor.
Yeah, right. I totally
Very,
agree with that.
Very important. No
Yes.
fat, no flavor.
Yeah.
So that's how we do it. So over here, we've got a portion. We give 3 sticks.
All right.
The skewer, we aluminium foil the handle, so during the grilling process, it doesn't burn. Looks more presentable.
All right. After making the skewer, what do we do next?
Okay, you got to make the dipping sauce. So in Thailand, they call this nam jin ju.
Nam Jinju. All
Nam
right.
jin ju, Jaew. So
Okay.
what we have is tamarind,
Ah, Assam.
Assam Jawa, which we mixed with a bit of water and strained it. We've got spring onions, white parts, green parts, red onion, coriander, the leaves, the stem, the roots. Again, palm sugar, gula melaka. I have red chili flakes that I've lightly toasted. I have lime juice, fresh limes, juiced it, strained it. Also have chopped garlic. I got some fish sauce, light soy sauce, and a bit of chili padi for kick. You can omit this if you don't like spicy stuff.
Okay.
So we're just gonna blend this. Simple.
Put everything inside the blender.
Yeah, really simple.
All right, chef. What we do next?
All right, so we're gonna grill these bad boys up.
Oh.
So we got a hot plate here.
Okay.
You can use a pan at home if you want,
Yep.
but I think best results if you got a charcoal grill will provide beautiful flavor.
Oh, yes.
This wants to be kissed by the charcoal flames, but we don't have it here, unfortunately. So we got a hot plate. This will work just fine.
Roughly how long do we need to grill it for?
We're gonna grill it and put it in the oven.
Ah, okay.
We're gonna grill it and put it in the oven. And as you know, I have digital thermometers.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, to check the temperatures. Okay.
So here you just want to create a char
Yeah, we want to create a nice char.
on the surface.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, so that palm sugar, condensed milk, the cooking caramel, the dark soy helps the caramelization.
Really nice.
Yeah. So after grilling it, we're going to put it in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
Of course, I have the old handy digital thermometer here.
Yep.
I'm going to take internal temperature, and I want the thickest part to reach 70 degrees Celsius
Okay.
minimum.
Okay.
And it's ready to serve.
And we are grilling it using about 225 degrees Celsius.
It's about 230.
Okay.
Yeah. If your oven is lower, you might want to add a minute or two.
No problem. So about 3 to 5 minutes should be sufficient.
Yeah, more than that.
Right. So we want
You want it just above 70 degrees Celsius. So we're there, just above 70 degrees Celsius.
Yep.
It's good, it's good. You don't want it over, then it goes dry. You don't want it under, then it's raw.
Right.
So it's done.
Okay. So this is our serving plate.
Yep. Very simple execution, just a bit heavy on the prep. Look at that. Oops.
This will go so well with
With some beers.
beer.
Yeah, that's all she wrote, that's it.